How to kick someone out of your private server on Roblox. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily kick someone out on your private server. So let's just jump right into it. The very first thing you want to do over here is go to roblox.com and make sure to log into your account. Now, if you have created it in private server, you want to head over to your profile and then go to creations. You'll find your experiences over here. So what I'm going to do is I'll just go ahead and click on this base plate over here. This is not a private server, but if it is, you'll see a list of people that are in the server right now. So you can refresh it and see all of the people that are in the server. There are currently no one in the server. If there are, you can see the people over here. You just have to click on the person's profile. And once you basically click on the profile, you could just go ahead and find them. So I'll just click any one of the profile from here. And once you have done that, you could just go ahead and tap on the three dots over here and then click on block user. And then click on block. Now they will be immediately disconnected from your server and you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.